Well, here we are at the Transmoto 6 Hour at the Conondale track. I'm joined in with the pod team, with CEO Brett Nicholas and marketing manager Byron Marsh. Boys, the track looks awesome, doesn't it?
It's epic. We had a good day yesterday, a lot of riders, capacity for sign-on, 35-minute lap time, so I'm about to get out and get after it. So if Bally's second, Marsh is my masseuse.
I can't wait to get out and get changed. It's going to be really good fun. Let's get these 6 hours underway.
Let's get after it.
Get out there, Brett. Well, we're one lap down. It's a 17.5k loop. It's got a bit of motocross in it, a little bit of grass track as well, and a lot of single trails with very technical areas. There's rocky areas, there's areas with creek crossings. It's something that's quite testing, I think, for every calibre rider out here, but it has been good fun. It's like a sight lap for us at the moment. The next lap will be a little bit tougher, and the lap after that's only going to get tougher. All in all though, I'm having a pretty good time. My first lap I got around, had a bit of fun around there. There's a grass track which is a bit of fun, and of course the motocross I enjoy. The single trail and that, well, you know, I just basically take it as a trail ride and just have a bit of fun out there. So we'll see how we go with the next few laps. We're an hour and a half in or close to it, so a little bit to go, but staying in strong.
How was it, mate?
Good. It was pretty fun.
I finished my 2 laps. Byron's out doing his second lap. Brendan's done 2, so we're effectively 6 laps in, so halfway, just rolled over 3 hours. Awesome event. I mean, it's the track's really digging in now. A lot of ruts and rocks, roots being exposed, so it's getting a lot more technical. But other than that, I mean, beautiful day warming up. There's no dust, so we've been pretty lucky. The lead up to the event, they got a lot of rain last week, so the preparation from Lyndon Heffernan and the Transmoto guys is brilliant. But the Husky 350 that Husqvarna Australia's lent us is performing faultlessly right now. So halfway down, another 2 laps to go. So I've taped the hands. Unfortunately, the office hands are blistering up, but yeah, can't wait to get back on the bike and get out there for about another 30-minute lap time.
You have the elbows up?
Yes, that helped.
Did that
It
help?
did. I did less of the whoa.
I did.
Yeah. I feel like we'll get to the end and there'll be a bit of disappointment that we can't race a bit more.
Well, that's it for the Transmoto 6 Hour down here at Conondale. I had an absolute ball. Brett, what do you think of the track?
It was fantastic. I mean, we all got through unscathed. Bike was faultless.
Yeah.
Everyone's got a smile on their face, so no injuries. Overall, brilliant event. Really good day, well run.
Yeah.
And we had a good time, so it was fantastic.
Byron, what about you? Highlight for you?
Oh, just riding a bike. I don't get to spend a lot of time on bikes,
Yeah.
and it was just fun. It was fun for every level. I think that's the beauty of the Transmoto events. The Husky FC 350 was absolutely sensational.
Yeah, look, it really was a great time out here, as Brett said. They run it really well. Gets tough towards the end of it. The 6 hours, the last few laps does make it pretty difficult on our guys. But that's what it's all about out here, and have a great time. If you get a chance, come out and do one of these. It's time for us to go and have a beer, I think.
Fantastic, let's do it.